AI project ideas for beginners. Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. If you've ever wanted to explore how AI works, starting a hands-on project is the best way to dive in. Beginners often feel overwhelmed, but don't worry, there are simple yet powerful AI projects that even newcomers can handle. In this video, we'll discuss exciting, beginner-friendly projects that highlight real-world applications. From image recognition to creating chatbots, each project will spark creativity and give you hands-on experience. Let's begin with image classification, a visual and engaging project. The goal: train an AI model to classify images, think fruits, animals, or everyday objects. You can use tools like Teachable Machine for a no-code approach or deepen your expertise with Python libraries like TensorFlow. Start with a small dataset of distinct images for the best results. Watch your AI identify objects effortlessly after training. Ever wondered how AI interprets emotions from text? Sentiment analysis does exactly this. Use it to classify messages, reviews, or tweets as positive, negative, or neutral. Python's simple text blob library or cloud apis like Google Natural Language make building this project straightforward. It's helpful for learning the basics of natural language processing, NLP. Chatbots are everywhere, from customer support to personal assistants. Create your first chatbot using Dialogflow or Python's Chatterbot library. This project teaches you about conversational AI, like recognizing user intent or extracting important details from their questions. Start small with a niche focus, for instance, creating a bot that answers facts about a hobby of yours. Netflix knows what you like, and you can build your own recommendation engine. This project involves predicting user preferences for movies, products, or even books. Using Python's Surprise library or a simple spreadsheet, you'll learn about collaborative and content-based filtering, key concepts in machine learning. It's a fantastic introduction to algorithms that power personalization. Here's a skill every AI enthusiast needs: analyzing and visualizing data. Dive into publicly available datasets about sports, population, or anything that interests you. Python libraries like Pandas simplify data manipulation, while Matplotlib or Seaborn bring it to life visually. This project combines statistics with storytelling, helping you make informed analyses with compelling visuals. Handwritten digit recognition. Use the MNIST dataset and train a model to recognize handwritten digits. Spam detection. Build a model to classify emails as spam or not spam. Music genre classification. Train a model to classify music into different genres based on audio features. Stock price prediction. Use historical stock data to build a model that predicts future stock prices. Facial emotion recognition. Build a model that can detect emotions, happy, sad, angry, etc., from facial expressions. Creating a simple AI art generator. Use a pre-trained model, like VQGAN JodeClip, to generate unique and interesting images. Building a question-answering system. Create a simple chatbot that can answer questions based on a given text document. Predicting customer churn. Analyze customer data to predict which customers are likely to leave a company. Creating a personalized music recommendation system. Build a system that recommends music based on a user's listening history. These extra challenges let you explore versatility and broaden your skills further. AI is the technology of the future, and now is the perfect time to start learning it. Pick a project that excites you, gather your tools, and begin experimenting. Remember, mistakes are part of the journey, they teach you the most. Subscribe to stay updated with beginner-friendly AI tutorials and share your project progress in the comments. Let's revolutionize learning together.